Hair damage is a common problem. Most of us at some point of time have wanted to chop it all off and start afresh. But guess what? We have a much better solution to this. So put down the scissors and watch this video to find out how to get healthier hair in no time with such extremely simple tricks and tips. Hair damage is hard to avoid, especially when your typical day involves a lot of commute and pollution, exposure to the sun, and using a fair amount of styling products. So today, I'm sharing with you the best hair care tips for healthier hair. Tip 1. Oil your hair. You've probably been hearing this from your mother since you were very little. But oiling your hair is one of the best things you could do to improve hair health. But not all oils have the same effect. A good oil makes your hair grow faster, nourishes your hair, and reduces hair fall. So make sure you pick an oil blend or an oil that thickens your hair by stimulating new growth. Oil blends packed with essential nutrients like lauric acid, ricinoleic acid, omega-6 and 9 fatty acids work the best. Even the best hair oil would be completely useless if you did not use it the right way. Here's how to apply. Brush your hair to get rid of any knots or tangles. Also, brushing your hair before you shower will reduce hair fall and damage. Take a generous amount of the oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, depending on the length of your hair. Next, take the warm oil and massage it into your scalp for about 15 minutes. Massaging will help improve blood circulation while stimulating hair growth. Once your hair and scalp are covered with the oil, wait for at least 30 minutes before you wash it off. Tip 2. Shower in cold water. This tip can make you feel really uncomfortable, but start showering with cold water. Warm water opens up your hair cuticles, making your hair shafts swell up. And this causes dryness, frizziness, and hair damage. But cold water showers can completely transform your hair from dull and lifeless to conditioned and lustrous hair. Tip 3. Not all shampoos are made equal. Reading labels is a great hobby to take up on your shopping trips, and it is also very useful to determine which shampoos are good for your hair and which ones are not. Ditch any shampoos that contain too much of alcohol and harsh detergents like SLS and SLES. Instead, look for the ones which have high amount of glycerin, as it is gentle on hair and helps it keep it conditioned. I personally love Sattva's Argan Oil shampoo, as it uses special blend of avocado, jojoba, coconut, almond, and many other essential oils like botanical terpene. It is also sulfate free and it will suit any hair type, as it uses top quality ingredients. Tip 4. Turn down the heat. Heat opens up the cuticles and leaves your hair vulnerable to damages. This is why minimizing the use of heat styling tools is necessary when it comes to preserving the health of your hair. Here's what I do. I let my hair air dry until it is about 80 to 90% dry, and then use the cool shot button of my dryer to speed up the drying process. This helps reduce the frizz while dealing zero damage to my hair. If you're using heat, make sure you hold the dryer at least 15 centimeters away from your hair and keep it constantly moving. Tip 5. Accessorize smartly. Hair accessories such as hair ties can crease your hair, create friction, and pull at your hair. Tying ponytails with elastics can actually pull at your scalp and damage the roots of your hair. Tying elastics too tightly can lead to breakage of hair. To avoid this, we can use scrunchies, which are not so tight, to put your hair up. You can also switch to butterfly clamps, as they are less damaging to your hair. Tip 6. Reduce sun exposure. Always carry a scarf while you're stepping out of the house, because the heat from sun and its harsh rays can severely damage your hair. If you aren't a scarf person, throw on a hat. Tip 7. Use satin pillow covers. There is a very simple way to avoid moisture loss while you sleep, to use satin pillow covers. Satin is very gentle on hair and does not try to steal away the moisture from your locks, like other fabrics do. And you can also minimize the moisture loss by tying your hair into loose braids before you go to sleep. Tip 8. Hair mask treatment. Use the hair mask treatments at least once a week to make sure that your hair is getting enough nutrition that it needs to stay healthy. This mask contains bananas in combination with olive oil. It helps condition hair, repairs damages, and improves hair elasticity and health. And the best part is, it is super easy to prepare and it is completely natural. You need 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 applicator brush. Method: blend the ingredients together. Until you get a smooth, lump-free mixture. Apply this mixture to your hair from the roots to the tips. Once your hair is completely covered, leave the mixture on for about 25 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash your hair with a mild, sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. Your hair will feel so much healthier with just 1 use of banana hair mask treatment. And this is because bananas are rich in antioxidants, potassium, vitamins, and natural oils, making them the ideal hair care ingredient. Transforming your hair's health may seem intimidating and sometimes even impossible, but it is easier than you think. Not only these tips are super easy to prepare, but from my experience I can tell you that they work like magic on your hair. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. And if you want more such videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. If you have any hair care tips of your own, please let us know in the comment section below. So thank you very much and see you again.